In today's video, we'll explore a fascinating and essential topic. How does your body speak to you? Based on the teachings of the renowned psychiatrist Marian Rojas Estapé, we will discover how our body sends us signals that, if we learn to interpret, can greatly improve our quality of life. We all experience stress, anxiety, or sadness at some point. But did you know that your body speaks to you through physical symptoms and reactions that we often ignore? Today I'll show you how paying attention to those signs can be a game changer for your emotional and physical well-being. We invite you to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you do not miss any content on well-being and personal development. Today we are going to dive into a topic that is essential not only for our physical health but also for our mental peace. How your body speaks to you. Inspired by the profound observations and therapeutic approach of Dr. Marian Rojas Estapé. Marian, throughout her career as a psychiatrist, has meticulously studied how our emotions and thoughts not only shape our experience of the world, but literally shape our physical well-being, teaching us that our body is like a mirror that reflects the state of our soul. When we experience prolonged stress, when we suppress our emotions, or when we navigate unresolved internal conflicts, our body begins to talk. This dialogue can manifest itself in various ways. From chronic fatigue and unexplained pain to more serious disorders such as hypertension or depression, we will focus on understanding the science behind stress and its physical impact, how our emotions affect our immune system, and the ways in which we can actively transform our response to everyday stresses. For example, fear is an emotion that typically triggers a fight or flight response in the body, preparing the body to act in the face of a perceived threat. This reaction can cause considerable tension in our shoulders and back, where the trapezius muscle, which runs along the upper back and neck, tenses in preparation for a defensive action. In the long term, this sustained tension can lead to chronic pain and stiffness, which reduces our ability to move and can increase stress. In contrast, anger, which is often considered a sharp, explosive emotion, can profoundly influence our digestive system. When we are angry, our body can divert energy from digestion to the systems most necessary to respond to a confrontation. This can result in decreased production of digestive enzymes, leading to symptoms such as indigestion, heartburn, and in prolonged cases, may contribute to more serious conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome. On the other hand, sadness affects our immune system. Prolonged sadness or depression can suppress the functionality of the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections and illnesses. This occurs because stress hormones, such as cortisol, rise during prolonged periods of sadness, inhibiting the immune response. Finally, anxiety can influence our cardiovascular system, increasing heart rate and blood pressure. Chronic anxiety can lead to wear and tear on the heart and blood vessels, increasing the risk of hypertension and heart disease. By understanding these connections, we can begin to view our body as an integrated system, where emotional health plays a critical role in our overall physical health. This knowledge will allow us to apply specific emotional and physical management techniques, such as breathing exercises, meditation, cognitive behavioral therapy, and lifestyle changes, to address not only the symptoms, but also the underlying causes of our discomfort. You must apply effective techniques for self-observation and self-help, which will allow you to start a constructive dialogue with your own body. From breathing and mindfulness exercises to lifestyle and dietary changes, every step you take should be designed to foster greater harmony between your mind and body. This is the time to start really listening to your body and responding to its needs with compassion and understanding. Subscribe and join us on this journey towards well-being. Like this video if you are ready to take control of your health holistically, and share this valuable information with those you love. Below we show you several techniques and tips to respond to your body's signals. Find a comfortable, quiet place where you can sit or lie down without interruptions. It can be in a chair, on the floor, on a cushion, or even on your bed. Close your eyes gently and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, completely filling your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each exhale, try to release a little more tension. Start by focusing your attention on your feet. Notice any sensations you feel there: warmth, cold, tension, relaxation. Imagine that with each exhale, you can release a little more of that tension. Gradually move your attention up your legs, your knees, thighs, and hips. Spend a moment in each area to notice any sensations. Don't judge, just observe. Bring your attention to your abdomen and chest. Many times, stress and anxiety build up here. Take your time to feel your breathing, how your abdomen rises and falls. If you detect any tension, imagine that you can soften that area with your breathing. Now focus on your shoulders, neck, and head. These areas are common to accumulate tension, especially if you spend many hours in front of the computer. Try to consciously relax these muscles. You can even gently move your head from side to side to release stiffness. Lastly, pay attention to your face. Relax your jaw, forehead, eyes. Facial muscles can show subtle signs of stress without us realizing it. At the end of this exercise, take 3 more deep breaths, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Did you notice any particular areas that needed attention? How do you feel now compared to before the exercise? This exercise is something you can do daily, or whenever you feel that your body is sending you signals of stress or tiredness. It is a powerful tool to increase your self-awareness and improve your stress response. After doing the body self-awareness exercise, it is important to know how you can effectively respond to the signals your body is sending you. Here I offer you some practices that will help you maintain a healthy balance between mind and body. 1. Conscious breathing techniques. Mindful breathing is a powerful tool for reducing stress and anxiety. A simple but effective technique is 4-7-8 breathing, where you inhale for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and exhale slowly for a count of 8. This technique helps slow your heart rate and promotes deep relaxation. 2. Diet changes. What you eat can also affect how you feel. Marian Rojas Estapé points out the importance of including foods rich in omega-3, such as salmon and walnuts, which have benefits for the brain and can improve your mood. Additionally, reducing your caffeine and sugar intake can help lower anxiety levels. 3. Regular physical activity. Exercise is not only good for your physical health, but also for your emotional well-being. Activities such as walking, swimming, or yoga can increase the production of endorphins, known as the happiness hormones. Try to integrate at least 30 minutes of physical activity moderate in your daily routine. 4. Time management and rest. Managing your time effectively can significantly reduce stress. Use time management techniques, such as prioritizing tasks and planning regular breaks, to avoid burnout. Make sure you give yourself time to rest and recover. 5. Mindfulness and meditation practices. Mindfulness and meditation can be extremely beneficial to connect with your inner state and better manage emotions and stress. Spend a few minutes each day practicing meditation or mindfulness exercises to improve your focus and overall emotional state. 6. Seek social and professional support. Don't underestimate the power of social and professional support. Talking to friends, family, or a therapist can provide an outlet for your emotions and worries. Sometimes just talking about what you're feeling can lift a lot of emotional weight. Before we say goodbye, I want to remind you how vital it is to start really listening to your body. This practice is not just a matter of identifying pain or discomfort, but of understanding and responding to the deepest needs of your being. By doing so, you not only improve your physical health, but also enrich your emotional well-being and strengthen your mind-body connection, resulting in a fuller and more harmonious life. By tuning into the signals your body sends you, you can enjoy multiple benefits. Here are some of the most important ones. Disease prevention. By paying attention to the early signs and symptoms, you can act quickly to prevent more serious health problems. This includes adjusting your diet, modifying your exercise routine, or simply getting more rest, which can have a significant impact on your long-term health. Improved mental health. Listening to your body helps you identify and manage emotions such as stress, anxiety, or sadness before they intensify. Techniques such as meditation and conscious breathing, which promote mindfulness, are extremely effective in improving your mental and emotional state. Increased energy and vitality. By appropriately responding to your body's needs, you can optimize your energy level. This translates into greater vitality and enthusiasm to face daily challenges and enjoy the activities you like most. Developing intuition and self-awareness. As you learn to interpret your body's signals, you develop a sharper intuition about what is good for you, which is essential for making decisions that support your holistic well-being. Healthier relationships. By being more connected to yourself, you can interact with others in more authentic and compassionate ways, which can lead to deeper, more meaningful relationships. For all these reasons and more, I encourage you to take this knowledge and apply it in your daily life. Your body is an incredible ally on your path to health and happiness, and learning to listen to it is a gift that will continue to benefit you in countless ways. If you like this video and it has inspired you to listen to your body more, don't forget to like it and share it. Subscribe to our channel for more content to help you live your best life. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, listening to your body is not just an act of health, it is an act of self-love.